Hello students, I am Sucheta. Welcome to the first session of our lesson, the long and short of it. What do you think the lesson is about, students? I'm sure you would have heard the words long and short. For example, I have a long pencil. I have a short crayon, etc. You would have already learned about long and short in your previous class. Yes, this lesson is about measurements. I'm excited to start this lesson. I hope you are also excited. Let's get started. Let us start our lesson with PEP 5.1. As you know, the PEP activity helps us to recall the concepts we have learned in the previous class or sets the stage for new learnings. If you have your studio with you, open page number 93 and write today's date, and if not, you can use your notebook and write down today's date and activity number 5.1 to do this activity. Read the instructions with me. Use hand spans to measure the length of your desk. You can measure any desk or table you have at your home. You know what a hand span is, right? This is a hand span. The length of your hand from your thumb to your little finger. Write down the number of hand spans in the blanks given. Since we are not in our think room, instead of your teacher's hand spans, you can ask any of your parents to measure the length of the desk or table. Now check if are the two numbers the same? Tick your response. You can take 10 minutes to complete this activity. Press pause to complete this activity and press play when done. Welcome back, students. I'm sure you would have completed the activity. Shall we check our responses? My response is no. Your hand span and your mother or your father's hand span would have given different answers. Any guesses why? Yes, because your hands are shorter than your parents' hands. When we find the length using measures like hand span, we may not get the same answer as another person. This is because body parts can be of different sizes for different people. So what do we do in such cases? We use fixed measures to measure the length of objects. You would have learnt in your previous class that length tells us how long or short an object is. Remember? Fixed measures are also called units of measure. One such fixed measure is a centimeter, written in short as cm. Look at the ruler given. Hope you remember that ruler is a measuring tool. It has 15 centimeters marked on it. The length of the scale from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. In the same way, the length from 1 to 2 is 1 centimeter, and so on. If you have a scale, have a look at the scale and you can find the centimeters marked on it. It's time for home fun. Gear up. Present in the companion is the home fun for the day. If you have your companion with you, open page number 41, and if not, you can use your notebook and write down activity number 5A to do this activity. Gear up recalls and tests whatever you have learnt about measurements in class 1. We have come to the end of today's session. In this session, we learnt about using the fixed measures to measure the length of objects. One such fixed measure is a centimeter, written in short as cm. So we have learnt two new words today, fixed measure and centimeters. Great. Okay students, until we meet in the next session, bye.